Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on Review into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. Now, we got some breaking news for you all. Now, for most of us, we had the information wrong about what was coming alongside of the Galaxy Note 10. The smartwatch that we thought was coming is not going to be called the Galaxy Watch 2. It's going to be called the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now, for me, that raises some questions simply because the Galaxy Watch Active, the original, has only been out for about 4 months, only to be followed up by what is called the Galaxy Watch Active 2, which leads me to believe that Samsung may have something real big up its sleeve. Now, let's take a look at some of the specs, right, before we take a look at a couple of the photos. Now, we are getting a Wi-Fi version, we're getting a 4G LTE, and as I thought, we will not be getting a 5G LTE. Now, the battery size on these smartwatches, because it's going to be a couple of them this time around, we're going to get a 40 millimeter and we're also going to get a 44 millimeter. The battery size is going to be 340 milliamp hour battery for one and 237 milliamp hour battery for another, and it's coming with 1.5 gigabytes of memory, and of course we are only getting about 4 gigabytes of storage. They have not upped it yet, which I hope they would have, at least to 6 if not 8, and we're getting rid of the bezel. So of course the Galaxy Watch Active, the original, didn't have one, and it looks like the Galaxy Watch Active 2 isn't going to have it at all as well. Now, my question is what about this huge bezel that's on the original? Are we getting that on these new smartwatches? Now, for me, that would be a deal breaker because it's got to be less bezel in order for it to look good. Kind of like what the Moto 360 looked like when it first came out. Now, if they bring that and they can stretch that bezel out, then yes, this one for me would be a buy. Other than that, yes, it is a deal breaker. But the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think, people? What would be a deal breaker for you? And two, what do you think Samsung has up its sleeve with the Galaxy Watch Active 2? Now, let's take a look at a couple of photos, right? First off, if you look on one side of the smartwatch, and of course, it looks just like the Galaxy Watch Active, the buttons are round, they're flat. Now, on the other side, you are going to get a speaker, which I'm happy about, because that simply means that I can listen to my music, I can answer phone calls, and we're going to get a mic on the same side. We're probably going to get what is called a touch bezel to be able to get into the applications and different functions of the smartwatch. But again, we can only wait and see. We're a month away from the event. I cannot wait. But hit me in the comment section down below, you all. Let me know your thoughts on this smartwatch. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.